Furnace runs but home feels cold? Maybe it's lousy airflow. Your furnace might be making heat, but the airflow could be blocked. Low airflow can cause your furnace to overheat and shut down. We check airflow, blower performance, and duct delivery. Common signs of low airflow include weak air from vents, uneven heating. Most common causes: dirty filters, blocked vents, and more. Quick tip: replace the filter and ensure vents are open. Consult a pro if weak airflow persists. Schedule your heating check today. Serving Houston, Katy, and surrounding areas.